Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can log out Gmail account from all of your devices. So now from over here, simply open up Gmail on your phone, and then once you have Gmail opened up, simply click on the top right on your profile icon, then click on manage your Google account. Now once you do that, it's gonna take you guys over here. Now from over here, you guys are gonna see all of these options. Simply scroll to the very left from the top over here and then click on security. Now from over here, you guys can scroll down, then click on manage all devices under your devices. Now once you click on manage your devices, it's gonna take you guys over here, and now from over here you guys can just basically see all the devices where your Google account is logged in, and you can choose to log out from over here. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to of course log out. Simply click on the device you want to log out from, and then after that you guys are gonna see the sign out option over here. If you want to log out from all of your devices at once, simply change your Google account password, and then that is gonna basically log you out from all the other devices as well. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.